You've worked long and hard to ensure your dealership continues to thrive. You want to do right by your customers and by your team who have helped you get where you are today. But running a dealership isn't easy. After all, you're not just a manager, you're also the driver, making sure your team is comfortable and productive as you navigate the road ahead. A community leader, building strong relationships with your customers and peers to ensure the stability and longevity of your business. A coach, mediating miscommunications between your sales, service, and finance departments and strengthening your team's bonds. And a million other little things. That's a lot for one person to handle. That's where we come in. While other software providers were busy piecing together different solutions for each department, we built a tightly integrated system from the ground up that connects all your dealership's processes and creates a seamless flow of information between departments, from sales to service to finance. We equip your team with the tools they need to do their jobs more effectively, like keeping a record of customer communication throughout the entire sales journey, processing payments without a double entry, managing work orders on the go, ordering the right parts when you need them, and more. And by providing you with reliable data for every department and location at a glance, we equip you with the information you need to monitor the bottom line. Our long tenure professionals are here to help you succeed. They're experts who know the RV, marine, and trailer industry inside out, which allows them to deliver the support your business needs to thrive in today's competitive market. We understand the challenges dealers like you face. That's because we built this system on feedback and best practices from hundreds of dealers collected over the course of over 30 years. At IDS, we invest more into the development of software tailored to the RV, marine, and trailer industries than any other solution out there. And most important, we're a trusted industry partner with connections to manufacturers, associations, and everyone in between. Which means you can focus on your job, driving your business to a bright and successful future. We're here to help you get there. Reach out today to learn how IDS can be the fuel that drives your dealership forward.